Alright people, welcome back to another lesson. We are going to be diving into Beyond the Wheel, a very early Soundgarden number that was requested by Patreon Orange Coloured Sky. So thanks for requesting this and thank you for your support. Some housekeeping. We are in drop D tuning. So your low E is going to go down 2 frets down to D so it matches your 4th string. So like so. And the tone for this one isn't too distorted. So I'm just using an overdrive pedal. In fact, I'm using the Cathal Inbred Elements 1 knob overdrive. And I've tweaked my amp EQ because obviously this is just an on or off pedal. So the Morgan settings are as per here. So it's, you know, back off the bass and the treble, basically. A little bit of treble, a little bit of dirt, and you are there. So the first part has about a minute's worth of just droning the low 3 strings with this pattern. Like that, right? So, you know, you can do that as much as you like. There's some reverse guitar and all sorts of stuff in there as well. But then the main riff comes in with this. But what I think it's maybe Kim in between the this bit, so that rest, he fills those out by just sliding up to anywhere above the 12th fret, really. You know, so you can just put in some bits and pieces like that there. But essentially, you're just going 0 for 2 beats, then 3, 5. So that's the first bar. All 1-fingered power chords, nice and easy. Then I go 2-1 with my fingers, right? 6 to 5. Like that, okay? And then this rundown. Again, I'm only using my first 2 fingers there. Starting with my 2nd finger on the 6th fret, and I'm covering, again, the low 3. Doesn't matter if you can't reach, you could just do the low 2 if you wanted. And then you're going to play this. With alternate picking, so it's down, up, right? I'm sliding my first finger down from the 5th to the 3rd there, okay? And then you go back up 3, 5, 6. Again, 1, 1, 2, right? In terms of fingering. So that's what you need to be able to play, okay? And obviously it's Soundgarden, so after 7 times round of that riff, the second half you play a bar of 7/8. So you just cut that little phrase short by 1/8 note. So you drop off that last 6th fret there, right? But that becomes the first beat of the next bar, which is in 9/8. So I'll run through the 8th time of the main riff. It would be. And then you're into that 9/8 riff, okay? Now the 9/8 riff, it goes like this, okay? Now this 9/8 riff plays a phrase around 3 times, and then it goes to a bar of 2/4 and then a bar of 4/4. It's Soundgarden, obviously it does. But the 9/8 riff goes like this. And then you're back into the other riff, okay? So, not terribly tricky, it's just the timing. So the first 2 parts are straightforward enough, they're just on the beat. Then you've got this. I think it's a slide, 3, 5, 3, and then off. Now you could always do a bend if you wanted. It's quite difficult to do though. So, you know, you could use a double stop bend if you wanted there, but I'm just going to do the slide. It's a lot easier. So that's 16th notes. And when you hit the open strings, you then count 1, 2, 3, and then you go around again, okay? So it would be 1, 2, that's it. So hopefully that helps you keep in time with that. The last part then is just 6-5-3, and you hang on the 3 for 4 beats. And you go round the main riff again. The other riff you have is this. Just goes around that. So that's very similar to before. You just don't have any fills in there. So you've got 3 open, 2 on the first fret, and then 1 0. Okay, so the same pattern. It's almost half of the main riff pattern. Okay, but just 0 to 1. That goes behind the solo. I mean, for the solo, there's just loads of noise pretty much. So I would just, anything sort of D pentatonic. Any of that good stuff, I would just stick to that. And then for the outro, we have this. And then you're done, right? So that's it. There's a bar of 7/8 in there, and a bar of 2/4, and a bar of 4/4 as well at the end. But really, you just need to play this. Pretty straightforward, right? So I wouldn't worry about this bar of 7/8. When you go back to the 6th fret here, just start that as the strongest beat, and it'll fall into place. Okay, one more time. And that is it, people. You are done. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.